am so happy to be able to get an opportunity to come to talk to you today about what we do to promote design in Thailand, and hopefully share with you some of our experiences and show a little bit of the work that our designers have achieved throughout the years that we've been established. First of all, just let me talk to you a little bit about the DEP, or the Department of Export Promotion. We are a government agency under the Ministry of Commerce of the Royal Thai Government. The DEP has a role in supporting and promoting Thai export products and services. We've been doing this for many years now, over 50 years. The role of the department covers many areas in terms of its promotion. We have over 60 offices around the world. We have one in Seoul. We have many activities that help Thai SMEs. You probably know that Thailand has 90% of Thai industry is SME, small medium enterprises. Exports account for over 60% of foreign revenue to Thailand. So our role is quite important in terms of helping to gain revenue into the Thai economy. So this sort of work that we've done is, like I said, quite important. But only recently has the DEP have been faced with challenges in terms of export competitiveness. So way back in 1990, if I'm not wrong, yes, we organized, or we established probably the first design center in Thailand, called the Design Service Center, now called the the Office of Product Value Promotion. I can hardly think that shows that we are willing to change, willing to understand the important role that value creation has, specifically in terms of product development and design, and lately or recently in terms of promoting our brands to the overseas market. Yes, I was just saying they were established in 1990. I was actually around at that time, 1990. My colleague here was around there a little bit before me, 1 year before me, but it's been 20 years now, over 20 years of this establishment. What our role in terms of helping to promote design and product value in general is we have a three-step phase that we've undertaken throughout our 20 years. The first stage of our mandate was to create design awareness. Thailand is very similar to many developing nations in that design wasn't originally instilled into the economy, into society. We are very much a trading or manufacturing nation. Most of our recognition has come from manufacturing, has come from cheaper products, low labor costs. So the idea of design, very new to Thailand. So our first assignment, if you may call it, was to create awareness within the Thai export industry, within the Thai industry, of how to convince or how to show the importance of design to manufacturers. This is very, very difficult at the beginning, because design to a person that doesn't really understand the process or the concept or the importance of it is an intangible entity. It's untouchable. It's something that's an idea, right? I was talking to a designer, one of my young designers here, and talked about the concept of design in the past. And he mentioned that when he graduated as a designer, product designer, he told his parents he's now a designer. And his parents said, "Oh, you're fashion design, doing with clothing, and you might be gay, you know." So that's the idea of a design is in those days. But as we know now, that design is a very professional area. It's very important, and as a lot of value, not just to products and services, but to society as a whole. Our second phase was to foster human resource development. In this case, it's all to do with designers, product designers, lifestyle, fashion designers, furniture designers, graphic designers. The design industry in general had to be developed towards a professional level, because that is what the industry demanded. But because we didn't have demand in those days, the supply of professional designers was very limited. So our next project was how to develop the human resource aspects. And I think that right up till now, that is still the heart of what we do in terms of trying to develop the Thai export industry. Try to feed the industry with professional designers. And obviously, other mandates that we have is to promote the design process, how to give information and knowledge to exporters and manufacturers on the process of design. Not seeing the end product, but having to go through the different stages of the design process to come up with the end product. That was a new concept for us as well. And lastly, design promotion. We've been doing very actively recently. We've done away with many of the projects that we started off in the beginning in terms of creating awareness. We believe that right now Thailand, especially the Thai industry, is well aware of the importance and the value that's created through design and the use of designers as a professional entity. So we are now concentrating more on the promotion of design products, the promotion of designers into the overseas markets, as well as trying to find networks, as we're doing here today, networking with the KIDP, networking with other organizations throughout the region and throughout the world. And my colleague that will be speaking next is from the TCDC, which is a design center, National Design Center, that was recently established maybe, I think, 5 or 6 years ago now, which shows the importance that Thailand is still showing towards the value of design and its promotion. What we do, I just talked a little bit about what we do. We promote and support design, product development, and brand building for export. Right? Very, very wide area. We nurture and develop designers, like I said. We try to give designers the opportunity to find the experience, which they cannot find by themselves, because we have connections within the industry, within other agencies that both public and private. We give them the opportunity to become professional designers. How do we do that? First of all, we have to give them the experience, the knowledge to become professional designers. We're not talking about students of design. We're talking about people that have already graduated, know themselves that they will become professional designers. So we, as a government organization, try to give them that opportunity. And I'll talk a little bit more about the opportunities that we give them later on. We try to be the intermediary between designers and manufacturers. Many of you know designers speak a different language altogether. They talk a design language. Manufacturers speak of other languages. They talk about cost. They talk about marketing. They talk about production. They talk about feasibility. So we try to get them to talk in a similar language. So they're able to work together to come up with innovative products. Products that are groundbreaking, products that are creative, but at the same time, products that can be sold on the international market, that can be marketed overseas. Why design and brand? Why do we choose that? Actually, value creation covers many areas, not just design and brand. It covers the value of product, covers price, covers logistics, covers after-sales service, personnel. All of this is towards value creation, how we create value for our products. Why brand and design? Because our country is branded with Made in Thailand. What we what we talk about when we talk about country brand is made in Thailand. When we ask somebody that is in the overseas market what they think about a product is made in Thailand, the two most important things that beforehand was Thai products were quite cheap, and Thai products had high quality. So it's a given. We were recognized for quite a competitive price and low quality, high quality. So to be able to change that branding from low price, high quality to something that's more valuable than that, because what we have found recently is that I'm sure that a lot of our ASEAN partners have experienced this as well. We have a lot of more competition within the region and overseas in terms of our manufacturing and our production. And this is our base of industry is OEM, or original equipment manufacturer. Or we are very good at doing things for other people. We are very good manufacturers, high quality, and we do it with loving care. You know, we smile, and very, very nice. But when we talk about design, it's not waiting for somebody to come and order something from you, order something for you to make. No, we have to be proactive. We have to be able to present our innovative products. We have to present our creative products as well through development of collections, development of designs, the use of designers. That concept, like I said, very new to Thai industry. So our challenge was very, very difficult in the first stages, but luckily we've seen a very good evolution from OEM to ODM, as we call it, or original design manufacturing. So that was our initial stage that we went through. Right? We are well known for producing high quality brands for many brands. You probably know this. I won't say what brands, but these are all manufactured in Thailand, but they're starting to relocate their manufacturing source to other places that are cheaper. But still, we're seeing a slow return of these clients back to Thailand because of our high quality and human relations. We're also very strong in terms of in the automotive industry. We don't have any car brands, but a brand like this, 90% of all parts are produced and assembled in Thailand and re-exported. There again, I like to reiterate that we are very good at manufacturing. That is something that we're good at. Back to our office. We have 4 types of projects that we undertake, and it covers areas of knowledge and awareness, and product design and branding, brand building, like I said, promotion and support of Thai design and brands to the world. The department itself organizes over 10 international trade fairs. I don't know if you've heard of them: the Bangkok International Gift and Houseware Fair, Thailand International Furniture Fair, the ThaiFex, which is a Thailand food exhibition, and the Bangkok International Fashion Fair. Very, very big in Thailand. But we also participate in over 180 trade fairs around the world. And that's where we try to find the opportunity to show our potential in terms of innovation and creativity. We develop and support Thai designers to the world. Like I said, one of the main, the heart of our undertaking is to promote Thai designers. We believe that the future of Thai industry is in the hands of the next generation of Thai designers, professional designers. So that's where we are heading towards our goal. And we also give market trend information services. I'll talk to you later about that as well. All right. Some of the activities and services that we have seminars and workshops like every other organization. This is where we try to find the opportunity for designers and manufacturers to come and see each other, to network with each other, and to learn something new about the export market. This here is a Japanese designer coming to talk about his collection and how he markets his products. We also bring in industry, Thai industry, to come and convey their knowledge to designers. So we don't forget our industry. We have many companies that have been established overseas, are well known in the terms of their brands. So we bring them back and try to give them an opportunity to get involved, to give back to the new generation what their stories are. Brands as well. Here we have very casual seminars and workshops. Thai people are very casual. We don't like to have any sort of official proceedings. You know, so this is the way we like to interact. Very casual and exchange of ideas. Development projects. Here again, these are some examples of some of the products that have come out of this project. This project is very interesting in the fact that it was developed not only for designers, but it was developed so that designers, manufacturers, marketing, merchandising, as well as business people are able to come in and give their input towards the final product. So we start off with an idea. Okay, we're going to design a new collection of furniture items, chairs. The designer gets involved in the initial stage to come up with a model, a form, an idea, a concept, and then the marketing people get involved. And then the production people get involved. The production would say that, oh, you know, this design, the chair, the way it's assembled, is not feasible. You have to change a little bit here. Maybe you should change the material that you use. So this process is all to do with the development of the design. And you would not believe that the initial design concept and the final production, completely different. Different designs altogether. So that's what we're trying to in the project, what we're trying to tell the designers, that not just your thinking is important, but also the input from the manufacturer is important, input from the marketing people, how the design will sell is also an important part of the design process. This one was awarded the G Mark way back in 2003, and it still sells in different forms, different materials, but it's the same form as the same design is still selling now. It's a chair, a shelf, design and development, like I said. We have many designers, not just students, but professional designers that unfortunately don't have the opportunity, like I said, to be able to show their potential as professional designers. So the government has to take on that responsibility. What we do is we give them the opportunity to show their potential. Not only like fashion designers here, first of all, we give them the opportunity to come and get involved in the trade fair, like I said, that the department organizes, the Bangkok International Gift and Houseware. They have their own booth, right? They can develop and sell their own collections in this fair. And maybe 15 or 20 of these people will be selected to go overseas. We will support that so that they will have an opportunity not just to stay within the comfort of their home country, but be able to go out into the overseas market. This is just an example of the trade fair that we went to, Pret-a-Pote Fair. We took about 10 designers there to not just to exhibit, but to sell their products as well. We went to Austria, Vienna Trade Fair, Fashion Fair. We also took a few designers here Maison Object in Paris to show their collections. So it's all an opportunity for them to gain experience, to be able to find out the limitations of becoming not just a designer, but as an entrepreneur, as a business person. That's the heart of it. Not just to design, but to be able to sell your designs effectively. So it's just an opportunity for them to do that. Some of the exhibitions, like I said, the exhibitions that we organize at the DEP that involve designers, not just to show the products, but also to sell the products as well. DMARC. Everybody has their own, Korea has the good design, Japan has the GMARC, Philippines, I think they have, Malaysia has a good design mark as well. We have a DMARC, Design Excellence Mark, very similar to that. We've had this, we established this in way back in 2009. The idea behind DMARC, with every other symbol of design excellence, is to show off the good design of the country's products. But the difference between the DMARC and maybe other marks is that we also try to foster the value of cultural differentiation, the value of our own nature. Many of the products that I'll show you in a minute probably not technology based, not high tech, but very have an essence of Thai. We are fun-loving people. That will be reflected in the designs that have received DMARC. We're also very good at mixing and matching natural materials, woods, metals, and you'll see that in the products that have received DMARC. So we have not become technology-driven or IC-driven industry, but we try to become more of a creative, innovation-driven economy. Some furniture items, the mixing and matching of different materials. This is a seat. I think you call it a beanbag, right? It's made of recycled t-shirts, t-shirt materials, using the natural characteristic of the fabric, whereby, when you cut a t-shirt and it folds up into a roll, they've used that and they've combined it to make a beanbag. I think I have it's like that. It's all being recycled. So this is one of our strengths as Thai people. We try to use as much material as we can, use as much wasted material to come up with new products as much as we can. We're a very emotionally based society. We have a lot of emotion in our furniture items. Multifunction is very good for us too. You use furniture as a chair, as a sofa, as a bed. It comes and changes into a chair, or whatever. So this sort of thing is very one of our strong points. This is an outdoor piece of furniture. It just looks like maybe handicraft piece of furniture, but actually, if you actually have a closer look at it, it's not only outdoor furniture, but it uses, even though it uses modern material, strong manufactured fibers, synthetic fibers, but it's crafted in traditional Thai method, weaving method. So it was very popular. It's very popular in the overseas market because of its cultural differentiation, its cultural roots back to Thailand. This again is a chair. Like I said, we like to play around with, like to have fun with our products. This is the same chair, right? If you just flip it over, it becomes a different shape chair. So if you flip the round one over, it becomes a square chair. That sort of thing. Mix and matching, fun. This is a lamp, a table lamp. It's made of wood, all wood, but there's no switch. Right? This just reflects how much connection we have with the materials that we use. You know, we like to feel the wood. So when the designer came up with this design, he said that he integrated the switch within the surface of the wood, so that when you turn it on and off, you have to rub the wood, so it turns on and off. It's not a new technology, but the way that technology is used in the Thai way. It's a very soft feel to the lamp, soft and natural feel to the lamp. I think we have another example of a lamp here as well. This is a wooden lamp, table lamp. I have one actually. I asked the designer, can I buy it? You know, special price discount for government. He wouldn't discount for me. So I bought it anyway. So the switch is at the bottom. You don't see it, but you have to touch the wood. See, that's the character that we're trying to show the international market about Thailand. This is a water tap made from rubber material. So from now on, when you wash your dishes, you don't have to move the rigid metal tap. You can use this sort of tap, turn it on and off from the head. This is a shower. It's called crystal rain. This shower is a little bit different from your normal shower because the designer here wanted to show the user the experience of the shower. Not just cleaning your body, but to have an experience when you go into the shower. There's lights, because they use something called chromotherapy, which says that light affects your mood. So the lights change color so that you feel calmer when you take the shower. The flow of the water is also regulated so that it massages your shoulder and your head. So you feel calm. And also you don't have to use your hands when you change the temperature of the water or the pressure of the water. You just use your feet. It's all on the floor. You do that. So it's a very interesting experience. It's called crystal rain. This is a shower head. So it still reflects the fun part of Thai design. It's a shower head. It looks like that. So it's part of nature. It's trees, you know, the branches. And this also received Good Design Award. It's a lamp, but it's just made of a plastic funnel and scraps of wood. Different colors. But it invokes emotion. Makes you feel good. Again, a lamp. This is a lamp, a standing lamp. It's about this high. It's made from teak wood, but designed so that it's a little bit more lively, not just a stable, static lamp, a bit more lively. You put it in your decor and it's the first thing you look at when you walk into the room. This is also a lamp made from one piece of wood, designed through laser cutting, and then it comes up like this, one piece of wood. It's a fun product. You know? This is also a beanbag as well, in the shape of an elephant. But it's fun. It's your family can sit around in the garden, change the shape of it, sit with your boyfriend or girlfriend. This is a pot plant, a fun pot plant. The squirrel there, there's a little squirrel there. When you put the water into the pot, the squirrel head moves up. And then when the water starts to run out, it slowly goes and disappears into the pot. So you know when to fill up your water pot. Not much technology, but I like to have one in my house. That's for fun. And this is a simple clock, a do-it-yourself clock. Comes in a packet like that, and you put it up yourself, like that. Any way you want, depending on your mood. You make it big, you make it small. That's just the part of flexibility. This is one of the exhibitions that we organized to publicize the DMARC. This was in Milan during the Milan Furniture Fair. We had an off fair in the center of the city to show off the design products, the Thai products there. You can see that very different from Italian design. This is what they liked. The symbolic a display of hands is to show that Thailand, Thai people like to use, you know, the handicraft, the handmade products. So all types of Thai hands, you know, from the Buddha hand to the boxing gloves, to show off our products. Yeah, our products are very organic, not very symmetrical. And then afterwards we had a party at the end. We invited all the guests and we had, you know, a little area here where we can have drinks. And also design information that we give to our manufacturers. Design information or training information that we give is very important. Very important. I think our delegate from the Philippines also has a library that has design trends. Why do we have design trend information? Because the way the Thai industry, Thai manufacturers did their research and development in the past days was to go to these trade fairs. Invest in a ticket to go overseas and find out what's in the market. But by the time they come back and develop their own products, they would be still lagging behind market trends. So we, the government, had to find a way to give the industry one step ahead of the market. So we had to invest in design trends. And design trends here, I'll just give you a few examples of some of the trends. We give them the idea of, like, if you're a fashion designer, what types of colors, what type of mood is going to be the trend maybe in the European market a couple of years from now. So we invest in a lot of these trends and gives them at least some direction for which to take in terms of developing and designing their products. It's not an answer. We don't give them the direct answer. We don't have the answer. It's just some inspiration that will give them in terms of like I said, the color that should be used, or the weight of the materials, fabrics, in terms of fashion design. We also have lifestyle design trends as well as many consumer trends from markets throughout the world. So this is just some of the information that we disseminate to our, not just our designers, but our industry. And they use this trend to try to at least have a competitive edge in the international market. Nice and colorful and fun. So these are just some lifestyle trends that we give out. I probably don't have time to explain about the trend information in detail, but it does have a background to it. People have done a lot of research to come up with these sort of trends, and that will be a different day. Okay, so basically that's a very short overview of what we do, the importance that we give to not just our industry, but also our new generation of designers. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope I didn't put you all to sleep, but very short overview of what the DEP does, especially the Office of Product Value Promotion. Thank you very much.